What's up, gentlemen? So quick little disclaimer. If you don't care about being handsome, you don't care about looking good, this video isn't for you. Or if you get your feelings hurt, it's super easy. This video definitely isn't for you because today I'm not blowing smoke up your cute little butt, even though it is amazing and definitely luscious. Today I'm dishing out a little tough love and Tiege Hanley to help you stop up your face. If you're ready and you can handle it, drop me one of these, be like, yo Alpha, help a brother out and help me look handsome forever. The first way you are effing up your face is rubbing your eyes, gentlemen, causes all sorts of bad stuff to happen with your eyes. The one thing is that you got all these like super delicate blood vessels, right? And when you're at them, when you're rubbing them, even if you're just rubbing them a little bit, you cause those blood vessels to like break and rupture, causing bloodshot eyes, dark circles, making you look tired and lethargic all the time. Another reason why touching your eyes and rubbing them is bad is that your hands, they are super filthy. And when you're in there, right, the bacteria from your hand transfers to your eye, increasing the likelihood of you getting like conjunctivitis and pink eye, which is definitely not sexy. A little anti-aging attraction eye pro tip, guys, is use some type of eye cream, all right? I use the Tiege Hanley eye cream twice a day. And the deal is, it's all about prevention, right? What the eye cream is going to do is actually help prevent fine lines, wrinkles. It's also going to eliminate bags and dark circles. Now, one trick about applying the eye cream, remember, you don't want to rub, dab it like that, and then you are patting, right? You're patting it all around your eye, underneath, the corners, right there. You don't want to rub it, just pat to apply. And what this is going to do is going to help condition the skin, prevent fine lines and wrinkles, and make your eyes look handsome and sexy. Second thing that is totally effing up that super handsome face of yours is squinting and wrinkling up your face. Because when you squint, when you crunch, you're causing wrinkles. The more you squint, the more you crunch, the more you wrinkle, the more those wrinkles are gonna get set in. So the question is, why are you squinting? Are you squinting to read, right? If the answer is yes, chances are you need glasses. Go get them, stupid. And when you go outside, you better put your sunglasses on, even if they're not enemies. The deal is this, guys, sunglasses are not only super cool, badass, and stylish, they serve a purpose. They protect your eyes. Going out and squinting without them is not only damaging the skin around them, it's damaging your eyes. The lenses on sunglasses are designed to help protect your eyes from the sun's harmful rays, and so it is critical that you put them on. Now, if they're super sexy and badass like Enemy, even better. Seriously though, these Enemy ones, matte black, silver detail, gradient Zeiss lenses, they're sick. Gentlemen, if you want to go check out Enemy, there's a link down below along with the discount code. We have recently launched a new website, which I personally think is a lot easier to navigate. It's a little sexier. We've got some new styles. Check out the reviews because the reviews are going to tell you what you need to know. It's not just my opinion. Yes, they look good, but the quality is ridiculous and people have been loving their Enemies. The third thing that is totally effing up your face is neglecting your... How sexy are your lips? Simple question. Are they sexy? Are they not sexy? Do you protect them? Do you moisturize them? Or are you like, yo, whatever. They're lips. Who cares? Gentlemen, she cares. Spicy senoritas care about lips. They don't want to make out with a dude who's all cracked, who's all crusty. It is critical that you moisturize. It is critical you protect. Just like you use a moisturizer on your face, you need to be also moisturizing your lips on a daily basis, guys. That is why every day before I leave the house, a little bit of that action. The Tiege Hanley lip balm is ridiculous. It's not going to dry your lips out. Some of the big companies out there that sell and manufacture lip balm actually put active ingredients that dry your lips out more, which is why it's critical for you to know what you're actually putting on your lips. The other thing you need to look for is an SPF. The Tiege Hanley lip balm has an SPF of 30. The fourth unfortunate thing that is effing up your face is caffeine. But I love you, caffeine. Unfortunately, gentlemen, the truth is caffeine, whether or not it's in coffee, whether or not it's in sports drinks, whether or not it's in like pre-workouts, whatever it is, caffeine dehydrates you like bad. And so it's all about replenishing the water that you're losing because of the dehydrating effects of caffeine. Because the truth is that if your skin is dehydrated, it is going to look dull, it is going to be old, it is going to be more wrinkled, it is going to be less sexy.
Moisture is the essence of wetness.
Exactly, Derek. Moisture is the essence of wetness.
And wetness is the essence of beauty.
The fifth thing that is totally effing up your face, guys, is not having a proper skincare routine. All right, there are two basic things that you need to be doing each and every day in order to have incredible skin. You need to wash your face twice a day, morning and night. Washing your face twice a day removes the oil, the dirt, the grime, and all of the nasty toxins and pollutants from the air that attach themselves to your handsome face. Just like with chapsticks, all face washes were definitely not created equal. You do not want to use a bar of soap that was designed for your body on your face. Your face, the skin on it, it is delicate, it's more sensitive, and so use a face wash that is more mild, more gentle. If your face wash is foaming up a lot, this means that it's got sulfates in it that is actually not good, because that is going to dry your face. Guys, if you are looking for a super high quality face wash, there is none better on the market than Tiege Hanley. And the second component to having incredible skin, guys, is to moisturize every day before you leave the house. But once again, it's not only about moisturizing, it's about protecting. And so the moisturizer that you use needs to have an SPF of at least 20. That's it. That is a basic skincare routine that's going to help you look amazing and handsome and not F up your face. Guys, if you are interested in grabbing the Tiege Hanley starter set, which comes with the face wash along with the moisturizer, and for a limited time, you're also going to get the Tiege Hanley lip balm for $15. I'm going to link this down below. $15, gentlemen, call Oprah. It's a handsome miracle. The question you've got to ask yourself, guys, is looking good, being handsome, is it worth $15 a month? If the answer is yes, hit the link down below and go get started today with the starter system for $15. If the answer is no, do not hit that link. Because we have a limited supply, guys, we want to leave these systems for people that are serious. And starting in month number 2 for $15, we are going to send you your wash and your AM moisturizer. Now, the other really cool thing, guys, when you're checking out today, if you want to grab any of the additional Tiege Hanley products that we sell, like the eye cream, the exfoliating scrub, the super serum, or a wash body bar or a scrub body bar, guys, you can add any of the additional Tiege Hanley products to your order when you're checking out today. And then, like we said, next month, $15, boom, you get the essentials, but you can also customize your system. And so if you've tried Tiege Hanley before, but you're wanting a more customizable experience, guys, now is the time. Today is the day. Do not wait. Stop up your face. The sixth way that you could potentially be effing up your face is eating too many foods high on the glycemic index, which can lead to inflammation in the body. And so if you're eating a diet that is super high in sugar, right, and you are prone to breakouts, you're prone to inflammation, it's actually going to make your breakouts, it's going to make eczema, it's going to make a lot of those things worse because your body is more inflamed. The seventh thing that is totally effing up your face, gentlemen, is stress. God, who's freaking not stressed out these days? Unfortunately, stress, you know what happens when that gets elevated, right? You're like, yo, what's going on with my body? Well, I'll tell you, cortisol level, boom! Cortisol levels are up. You typically are going to gain more weight. Your body also will start to produce more oil, which is going to lead to breakouts and blemishes. Plus, your face will look like this all squinty, right? Because that's what happens to me. When I'm all stressed out, you see me, exactly, that's what I look like. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Cortisol, stress, it will kill you. It will also up your face. You probably know by now, but I just want to throw it out there again, is popping pimples, right? Picking things on your face. Guys, once again, your hands, these filthy animals are filthy. I know where they've been. They're definitely dirty. And so if you do have a breakout or a blemish, the worst thing you can do is constantly be squeezing and picking and trying to get that bad boy. Instead of this, use something like this, which is a toolkit designed for pimple popping, blackhead extraction, right? Now, one thing I will tell you also, yeah, check it out. Mirrorwood, hey, you're handsome. The other one, whoa, how did that get off track? I see myself in a reflection. I can't help, I'm mesmerized. Anyway, if you are going to be using something like this, what I'd recommend is prior to using it, sterilize it in some rubbing alcohol. I will also link to this down below. Now, here's the deal. I'm not going to talk about smoking, right? You know that smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your face, right? It makes you age faster, it makes you look horrible, plus it makes you smell like shit. Number 8, big number 8. To how you are potentially effing up your face is not subscribing to the Alpha M YouTube channel. Research has shown that if you are not subscribed, and oh, let me just remind you, that notification bell, it is critical, it is important, it is essential for you to be notified when I post an epic video like this one. Gentlemen, turn that bad boy on, make it ring. While we're at it, boom, drop me one of these in case you forgot earlier. It totally helps me, help the channel, help you, help me, help you, help me look better for you so that you are handsome and don't F up your face.